The MSP Portal is your central contact point to oversee and manage all of your Mirador sites. Once you initially log in to the MSP Portal, you are presented with a blank canvas under the menu item Sites. Let's populate your sites by clicking on the Import button on the right-hand corner of your MSP Portal. You can now choose from a list of all Mirador sites where you have administrative permissions. We'll choose this easy-to-pronounce demo site, named Pohjois Tekniikka Oy, in our example. Once you have made your selection, click on the Import button. Now you can quickly see the number of sites, total devices, and active devices. The individual columns also include the created date, site link, subscription type, and the unique name. Once we click on the site name, we are presented with additional information, such as devices by platform, online statuses, and device data security. The navigation allows you to change between Overview, Configuration Profiles, which lists all of the configuration profiles of the selected site, Permissions, with the users having administrative privileges, as well as Subscription and Payment, listing the current subscription type and payment method. The second menu item in the navigation pane, Configuration Profiles, allows you to import an existing configuration profile to be shared between sites, thereby reducing the manual overhead. In this example, we click on the Import button and continue by selecting the site from which we want to import an existing configuration profile. Once we selected our demo site, we are presented with an overview of all available configuration profiles. We select Application Update Policy Android and proceed by clicking the Select button and finish the process by clicking Import. We can now select the newly uploaded configuration profile. Click on the Add to Site button to share it with another site. In case a configuration profile is outdated or no longer needed, you can remove it via the Remove button. The menu item Users gives you an overview of all current MSP Portal users. You can search for users via the Search field at the top of the list, invite users to your MSP Portal via the Invite button, or remove users with the Remove button. To highlight this feature, I'll invite my colleague Andreas Handler to collaborate with me on my MSP Portal. Just enter the email address and select the preferred role, which can be either owner, admin, or reader. The owner role would allow Andreas to invite additional people to the MSP Portal, but we'll stick with the admin role in this case, which will allow him to manage sites and configurations without being able to invite additional people. Under Settings, you can change the display name of your business in the MSP Portal. The gray profile selector on the far right gives you access to your account. Here you can change your name, phone number, locale, language, and time zone. The menu item Password allows you to change your password, while the entry Two-Factor Authentication allows you to set up just that. Note that Mirador's MSP Portal uses a time-based one-time password approach, which can be added to applications such as Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, or FreeOTP. Clicking on MSP Portal in the left-hand menu gets you back to where we started. On the far right, you find the question mark item, which opens links to the knowledge base, news and updates, as well as the About section.